Today, we'll be exploring a popular coding problem, finding the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. We'll delve into a Java solution and provide a comprehensive explanation of the code. The problem we're tackling today involves finding the length of the longest substring in a given string that does not contain any repeating characters. We'll now explore a Java solution that utilizes an optimized approach. Now, before we take a look at the code segment, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. In this solution, we utilize an integer array called char index to store the index of the last occurrence of each character that was encountered in the string. The array has a size of 128, which corresponds to the ASCII character set. We also initialize the maximum length of the substring, max length, to 0, and the left pointer, left, which marks the start of the substring. Within the loop, we iterate through a string using the right pointer. For each character at schar at right, we check if the last occurrence is within the current substring. If the last occurrence is indeed within the substring, we update the left pointer to the right of that occurrence. This ensures that we maintain a valid substring without repeating characters. Next, we update the char index array with the current index of the character, right. This allows us to keep track of the most recent occurrence within for each character. Finally, we update the max length by taking the maximum value between the current max length and the length of the current substring from left to right inclusive, using the math.max function. After iterating through the entire string, we return the max length as the result, which represents the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more. We'll catch you in the next one.